Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I wanted to show you how I made a tray from an old frame that I found at our local thrift store. It was originally $9.99 for this frame, but this particular day they had a huge sale, so I only paid $1 for it, which I thought was a great price, especially for what I wanted to do with it. It was well made, very sturdy, the perfect frame to do this tray. Now, obviously, you will not find the same frame, but I'm sure that you can find something very similar to it at your local thrift store to do this project. I bought contact paper from Dollar Tree that I'm going to use. Waverly white chalk paint I'm using. You can use any color, any brand that you want that would match your decor. And you will need a paintbrush. I bought these cabinet handles from Home Depot, and if you decide to attach the handles to the frame with the screws that are on there, you will definitely need to have a drill to do that. Now, if you do not have a drill, that's okay. You do not need one. You can just go ahead and use some strong glue and glue the handles to the frame. The only thing is you will not be able to pick up the tray by the handle, obviously, because it'll fall off, but it will definitely give you the look of a tray. Now start painting the frame, and just make sure you get all the sides and everything, and just cover up all the wood with the paint. Now I'm not worried that I got a little bit of paint on the plexiglass, because I'm going to take that contact paper and that's going to be covered up. I took a pencil and measured out where the holes should be drilled for the handles. Make sure they are aligned correctly, so take the time to measure accurately before you drill. If there's any hardware on the back of the frame, go ahead and remove that, because you want to have a flat surface. Once you have the holes drilled, take a screwdriver and put that screw through the hole and align it with the cabinet handle, and it should go straight through if you did it correctly. And just tighten the screws to make sure that that handle stays on. This frame looked handmade to me. I noticed there were some finishing nails sticking out of the back, and I also realized, well, with the screws and everything, you're going to need something to cover that up. That way you're not scratching any of your furniture or tearing anything up. So a piece of felt would work great. You just need to hot glue it onto the back, and that should give you a smooth surface. I decided to score the paper and leave a little bit of excess, so that way I didn't end up cutting it too short. And then once I cut it off the roll, I could go back and measure it again and then cut the excess paper off just a little bit closer to where it would line up with the inside of the frame. Now the tricky part of this DIY is putting the contact paper down. Just do a little bit at a time because you will get air bubbles, and just pull it back up if you notice any air bubbles and put it back down, and continue doing small sections till it's completely covered. Now if you don't have contact paper, you can also paint the glass and put a stencil over it if you want. You just need to put a sealer over the paint so that way it stays protected and it'll be easy to clean up. You can also put some pretty paper under the glass if you're able to, and that would make this even easier to do. This DIY only cost me under $10 to make, and it was very easy and very simple to do, and I think it makes a really pretty inexpensive accessory for your home. I really love how this turned out. I'm very pleased with it. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, I ask that you please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. And I thank you all again for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.